So regardless of the size of the ship, if it's if people are going back to where they came from, then it will always be filled to capacity. Yeah, because this is my first time to ride this smaller ship. Anyway, yeah, so it's a nice ride here. We have a good weather, and this is the Queen of New Westminster ship. This is one of the ship operated by the basic ferries that is plying the road between Chawasin and Scarsby. So right now I'm using a GoPro 9, GoPro 8. This is the video camera that I'm using right now. It's quite doing its good job. So this is my breakfast. It's an oatmeal with milk, some sugar, cranberry dressings, and then a chocolate. Yeah, so this is a really nice pantry. There's a lot of food stuff that you can choose from.
find your way under my skin. Now I come undone. The walls that I built on weakest paper, my castle is falling from the sky. Ain't nobody else have made me lose my grip before. Yeah, I come undone. Was fast asleep both night and day. Now I'm wide awake. My world is turning all upside down. Oh, I come undone. The walls that I built on weakest paper, my castle is falling from the sky. Ain't nobody else have made me lose my grip before. Yeah, I come undone. Oh, yeah. Will you catch my fall? Or will you carry me home? 'Cause I can't hold on. Gotta let myself go for you. Can you show me how? Or can I learn to be free? Oh, 'cause I'm too afraid, but there's no turning back from here. Hope you remain right next to me as days turns to years. Say, can you hear the bells singing our song as I come undone? The walls